You're watching how Leap. Let's learn how to change the charging sound on your iPhone. This process requires using the Shortcuts app to create a personal automation. First, open the Shortcuts app that comes pre-installed on your iPhone. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store. Tap the Automation tab at the bottom of the screen, then tap the plus sign in the top right to create a new personal automation. Scroll through the trigger events and select Charger. On the next screen, choose is connected to trigger the automation when you plug in your phone, then tap Next. Now tap Add Action to define what happens. In the search bar, type play sound and select the play sound action from the results. Tap the word sound within the new action box, and you can now choose any sound file from your music library or a sound you have saved. To use a custom sound, you must first add the audio file to your Files app. After selecting your sound, tap Next, then turn off the switch for Ask Before running so it happens automatically. Finally, tap Done to save the automation. Now every time you connect your iPhone to a charger, it will play your selected sound. You can edit or delete this automation anytime in the Shortcuts app. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.